Yo, what's up everyone? It's Muammar here and welcome to this deep dive on mastering AI security. We're not just talking theory here. This is about giving you the practical tools and strategies you need to implement robust AI security in your organization. Think of this as your one-stop shop for navigating the complex world of AI security. Whether you're just starting out or already have some AI initiatives up and running, this toolkit has something for you. We're going to break down complex concepts into actionable steps, providing you with clear frameworks and resources. Let's jump right in.
First things first, let's evaluate your organization's readiness for AI security. It's like checking your phone's security settings before you download a bunch of new apps. You want to make sure your foundation is solid. That's where our assessment templates come in. These templates are designed to help you identify potential vulnerabilities and areas for improvement. We're talking data security, model robustness, access control, the whole 9 yards. Think of these templates as a comprehensive checklist, guiding you through critical questions about your existing infrastructure, policies, and practices. The goal here isn't to overwhelm you, but to give you a clear picture of where you stand. Now, these assessment templates aren't just about checking boxes, they're about understanding the why behind each question. For instance, when we ask about data encryption, it's not just a yes or no, we delve deeper. What type of encryption are you using? Is it up to date? Do you have different levels of encryption for different types of data? This granular approach helps you uncover hidden vulnerabilities you might have missed. It's like using a macro lens to spot those tiny details that make all the difference. Remember, a robust AI security strategy starts with a thorough understanding of your weaknesses.
Let's talk ROI, because securing your AI investments isn't just about mitigating risks, it's also about maximizing returns and ensuring long-term success. But let's be real, convincing stakeholders to invest in security can sometimes feel like you're speaking a different language. That's why we've developed these ROI calculators to simplify the process. These tools give you the power to translate security investments into tangible business outcomes. Input your organization's specific data. Think about the cost of potential breaches, the value of your AI assets, and the impact of downtime on your operations. The ROI calculator then crunches the numbers, providing you with clear, data-driven insights. You'll see how investing in specific security measures can directly impact your bottom line. Imagine being able to show your stakeholders exactly how much a data breach could cost them versus the cost of implementing robust preventative measures. That's the power of quantifying security. It shifts the conversation from a perceived expense to a strategic investment. And trust me, when you can back up your security recommendations with concrete numbers, it makes all the difference.
Alright, so you've assessed your AI readiness and you're convinced about the ROI. That's a fantastic first step. But as with any significant investment, the next steps are crucial. You wouldn't just throw money into the stock market without a strategy, right? The same principle applies here. You need a well-thought-out plan to ensure that your AI implementation is not only successful, but also sustainable in the long run. What's next? Jumping right into implementation without a plan is like, well, building a house without a blueprint. Imagine trying to construct a home without knowing where the walls should go, where the plumbing needs to be installed, or how the electrical wiring should be laid out. It would be chaotic, inefficient, and ultimately, a disaster waiting to happen. You might end up with something, but it probably won't be pretty. The same goes for AI projects. Without a clear structure, you risk creating a system that's disjointed, hard to manage, and potentially full of vulnerabilities. This is why having a solid framework is so essential. That's where project frameworks come in. These frameworks act as your guiding star, helping you navigate the complexities of AI implementation. They provide a roadmap that outlines each step of the process, ensuring that nothing is overlooked and that every aspect of the project is given the attention it deserves. Think of these frameworks as your blueprints for AI security implementation. They help you visualize the end goal and map out the journey to get there. By following a structured approach, you can systematically address each component of the project, from data collection and processing to model training and deployment. They provide a structured approach, breaking down this seemingly massive task into manageable phases. This not only makes the project more digestible, but also allows for better resource allocation and risk management. Each phase can be carefully planned and executed, reducing the likelihood of unexpected issues derailing the entire project. Trust me, having this structure in place from the get-go can be a lifesaver. It helps keep the project on track, ensures that all team members are aligned, and provides a clear path forward even when challenges arise. It's like having a safety net that catches you before you fall. Now, there are a bunch of different frameworks out there, each with its own strengths. Some are more flexible, allowing for iterative development and continuous improvement, while others are more rigid, providing a clear, linear path from start to finish. The key is to choose the one that best fits your project's needs and your team's working style. Some popular ones you might have heard of are Agile, Waterfall, and Scrum. Agile is great for projects that require a lot of flexibility and adaptability. Waterfall is ideal for projects with well-defined stages and clear requirements. Scrum, on the other hand, is excellent for teams that thrive on collaboration and iterative progress. We don't have time to deep dive into each one here, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In the resources section below, you'll find detailed guides on each of these frameworks, including their pros and cons, and how to implement them effectively in your AI projects. In the resources section below, you'll find a breakdown of these frameworks and how they apply specifically to AI security implementations. We've also included case studies and examples to help you understand how these frameworks have been successfully used in real-world projects. We'll even link to some templates you can use to get started. These templates are designed to help you kickstart your project, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon. They include checklists, timelines, and other useful tools to ensure that you don't miss any critical steps. Yeah, we've really thought of everything. From planning and execution to monitoring and optimization, these resources are here to support you every step of the way. So take advantage of them and set your AI project up for success. So how do you know which framework is right for you? This is a crucial question that many organizations face when embarking on their AI journey. The right framework can make a significant difference in the efficiency and success of your AI projects. Well, it depends on a few factors. The size of your organization, which can greatly influence the complexity and scale of your AI initiatives. Smaller organizations might have different needs compared to larger enterprises. The complexity of your AI projects is another critical factor. Are you dealing with simple automation tasks, or are you diving into advanced machine learning models and deep learning algorithms? The more complex your projects, the more robust your framework needs to be. And then there's your overall risk tolerance. Some organizations are more risk-averse and prefer a tried-and-true approach, while others are more willing to experiment and take calculated risks to achieve breakthrough results. For instance, if you're a smaller organization with relatively straightforward AI deployments, a more lightweight framework like Agile might be a good fit. Agile allows for quick iterations and adjustments, which can be particularly beneficial when resources are limited. Agile emphasizes flexibility and iterative progress, enabling teams to adapt to changes and continuously improve their processes. This can lead to faster delivery times and more responsive project management. It emphasizes flexibility and iterative progress, which is essential in a rapidly changing field like AI. Being able to pivot and make adjustments on the fly can be a significant advantage. On the other hand, larger organizations with more complex projects might benefit from a more structured approach like Waterfall. Waterfall provides a clear, linear progression through project phases, which can help manage large teams and intricate project requirements. The key is to really understand the principles behind each framework. Each methodology has its strengths and weaknesses, and knowing these can help you make an informed decision. Choose the one that aligns best with your specific needs and resources. This alignment ensures that your framework supports your goals and enhances your team's capabilities, rather than hindering them. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt as you go. The landscape of AI is constantly evolving, and what works today might not be the best solution tomorrow. Being open to change and willing to try new approaches can lead to innovative solutions. Remember, flexibility is key in the ever-evolving world of AI. The ability to adapt to new technologies, methodologies, and market demands can set your organization apart from the competition. And hey, even if you think your organization is already pretty structured, there's always room for improvement. Formalizing your AI security implementation process can uncover potential blind spots and streamline your workflow. Taking the time to formalize your AI security implementation process can uncover potential blind spots and streamline your workflow. This proactive approach can prevent issues before they arise and ensure smoother project execution. It's all about optimizing for success. By carefully selecting the right framework and being willing to adapt, you can set your AI projects on a path to achieve their full potential.
All right, we're getting close to actually implementing your AI security strategy. But before you hit that launch button, it's crucial to double-check that you've got all your bases covered. Think of it like a pre-flight checklist for an airplane, but instead of checking the wings, we're checking your algorithms. This is where security checklists come in. These are essentially comprehensive lists of security measures and best practices specifically designed for AI systems. They help you identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities before they become major headaches. Now, these checklists aren't meant to be one-size-fits-all. They should be tailored to your specific AI applications and risk profile. But having a standardized framework to work from ensures that you're systematically addressing all the critical areas. So, what kind of things should your security checklist cover? Well, it should encompass the entire AI lifecycle, from data acquisition and model training to deployment and monitoring. For example, you'll want to make sure your training data is properly secured and protected from unauthorized access or manipulation. You'll also want to implement robust access controls to prevent unauthorized users from tampering with your models. And it doesn't stop there. You need to consider things like model security, ensuring your algorithms are resistant to adversarial attacks. And of course, ongoing monitoring is crucial to detect and respond to any suspicious activity. We know, it's a lot to think about. But that's why we've created a comprehensive AI security checklist template, available for download in the description below. It's packed with practical tips and best practices to help you secure your AI systems from end to end.
And there you have it, your ultimate toolkit for mastering AI security implementation. This toolkit is designed to be your go-to resource, providing you with all the essential tools and knowledge you need to navigate the complex landscape of AI security. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing systems, this toolkit has something for everyone. We've covered a lot of ground, from assessing your organization's readiness and calculating potential ROI to exploring project frameworks and essential security checklists. Each of these steps is crucial in building a robust AI security strategy. Assessing your readiness helps you understand where you currently stand and what gaps need to be filled. Calculating ROI ensures that your investments in AI security are justified and beneficial. Exploring project frameworks gives you a structured approach to implementation, and the security checklists serve as a comprehensive guide to ensure nothing is overlooked. Remember, your journey to AI security doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. As technology evolves, so do the threats and challenges. Staying updated with the latest trends and continuously improving your security measures is essential. Think of this journey as a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term commitment and continuous learning. This is an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance and adaptation. The landscape of AI security is ever-changing, and what works today might not be sufficient tomorrow. Regularly reviewing and updating your security measures is key to staying ahead of potential threats. Engage with the community, participate in forums, and stay informed about the latest developments in AI security. But by following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to building robust and trustworthy AI systems. These steps are designed to provide a solid foundation, but it's up to you to build upon it. Implementing these practices will not only protect your systems, but also build trust with your users and stakeholders. So, what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. The sooner you start, the better prepared you'll be to handle any challenges that come your way. Procrastination can lead to vulnerabilities, so take the first step today. It's time to put this knowledge into action. Next steps. Taking action is the most critical part of this journey. Knowledge without action is futile. By implementing what you've learned, you can make a significant impact on your organization's AI security posture. 1. Download the assessment templates and evaluate your organization's AI security posture. These templates are designed to help you identify strengths and weaknesses in your current setup. They provide a structured approach to assessment, making it easier for you to pinpoint areas that need improvement. 2. Use the ROI calculators to determine the potential benefits of implementation. Understanding the financial impact of your security measures is crucial. These calculators will help you quantify the benefits, making it easier to justify investments to stakeholders. 3. Choose a project framework that aligns with your needs and start planning your implementation. A well-structured framework provides a roadmap for your project, ensuring that all critical aspects are covered. It helps in organizing tasks, setting timelines, and allocating resources effectively. 4. Download the AI security checklist template and ensure you're covering all the bases. This checklist is a comprehensive guide that covers all essential aspects of AI security. It serves as a handy reference to ensure that no critical element is missed during implementation. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on all things AI and security. We are committed to providing you with the latest insights and best practices to help you stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of AI security. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.